Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to share one of the very important topic, that is features of ICDS. This is a lecture number 14 and this topic already comes in June 2017 examinations. So first, ICDS, the meaning of ICDS. ICDS meaning is income computation disclosure standard. इनकम कंप्यूटेशन डिस्क्लोजर स्टैंडर्ड। ओके, ये स्टैंडर्ड होता है इनकम कंप्यूटेशन करने के लिए, राइट। दिस इज़ नॉट ए अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड and you can say they are not accounting standard. It is a standard for computation of income and disclosure as per Income Tax Act 1961 and ये applicability हुआ था 29th September 2016, right? So let's look upon the features of ICDS. ICDS are to be followed by all assessee following the mercantile system of accounting. Remember, ICDS are to be followed by all assessee following the mercantile system of accounting, and other than an individual or Hindu undivided family who is not required to get his accounts of the previous year audited in accordance with the provisions of section 44AB. ICDS are applicable to the computation of income chargeable to income tax under the head profit and gains of business or profession or income from other sources other than an individual or HUF, who is not required to get his accounts of the previous year audited in accordance with the provision of section 44A(b). Right. This standard is not applicable for maintenance of books of account. ये books of account maintain करने के लिए नहीं है. As ICDS are meant for computation of income only, there is no need for maintenance of books of account for this purpose. ICDS applicable नहीं है बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट मेंटेन करने के लिए, ये सिर्फ कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ इनकम ओनली, ये सब कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ इनकम को शो करने के लिए होता है एंड देयर इज नो नीड फॉर मेंटेनेंस ऑफ बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट फॉर दिस पर्पज, राइट। एंड in the case of conflict between the provisions of the Income Tax Act 1961 and ICDS, then in that case the provisions of the Income Tax Act shall prevail to the extent. अगर conflict हुआ ICDS and Income Tax के अंदर, then Income Tax Act को accept किया जाएगा, right? In the case of conflict between the provisions of the Income Tax Act 1961 and ICDS, the provisions of the Income Tax Act shall prevail to that extent. Then again, non-compliance of ICDS will lead to the judgment assessment. अगर ICDS का compliance नहीं किया है, then in their case assessment हो सकता है, judgment assessment हो सकता है. Non-compliance of ICDS will lead to the judgment assessment, right? ये था features of ICDS. and how many types of ICDS? There are 10 type of ICDS. 10 type of ICDS. ICDS I, ICDS 2I, then ICDS triple I, then ICDS IV, then ICDS V, then ICDS VI, then ICDS V double I, then ICDS V triple I, then ICDS IX and ICDX. 10 ICDS इनकम कंप्यूटेशन एंड डिस्क्लोजर स्टैंडर्ड होता है. ICDS I is for accounting policies. Remember, ICDS I is accounting policy. Accounting policies, right? Then ICDS 2I belongs to valuation of inventories. ये आपका एग्जाम में आ सकता है, valuation of inventories. ICDS 2I belongs to valuation of inventories, right? Then ICDS 3I, ICDS 3I is belongs to construction contract. Construction contract. Construction contract, right? Then ICDS IV belongs to revenue recognition. Revenue recognition. Then ICDS V belongs to tangible fixed asset. Tangible fixed assets. Then ICDS VI is belongs to effects of modification changes in foreign exchange rates. Effect of changes in foreign exchange rates. ICDS VI belongs to effect of changes in foreign exchange rates. Then ICDS VII belongs to government grants. Government grant. Government grant. Then ICDS VIII belongs to securities. Right? Then ICDS IX belongs to borrowing cost. ICDX IX belongs to borrowing cost. And the last ICDS X belongs to provisions contingent liabilities and contingent assets. ये सब इनकम कंप्यूटेशन डिस्क्लोजर स्टैंडर्ड आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. ICDS I belongs to accounting policies. ICDS 2I valuation of inventories. ICDS 3I construction contract. ICDS IV revenue recognition. ICDS V tangible fixed asset. ICDS VI effect of changes in foreign exchange rates. Then ICDS VII belongs to government grants. ICDS VIII belongs to securities. ICDS IX belongs to borrowing cost. ICDS X belongs to provisions, contingent liabilities and contingent asset. And remember, they are not accounting standard. It is a standard for computation of income and disclosure as per Income Tax Act 1961. Okay, so and what are the features? As you know that ICDS are to be followed by all the assessees following the mercantile system of accounting. First and most important, ICDS are to be followed by all assessees following the mercantile system of accounting. Then ICDS are applicable to computation of income chargeable to income tax under the head profit and gains of business or profession or income from other sources other than an individual or HUF who is not required to get his accounts of the previous year audited in accordance with the provisions of section 44AB. Then this standard is not applicable for maintenance of books of account. ये बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स मेंटेन करने के लिए नहीं है. आज ICDS are meant for computation of income only. There is no need for maintenance of books of account for this purpose. Then in the case of conflict between the provisions of the Income Tax Act 1961 and ICDS, in that case the provisions of the act shall prevail to that extent. Then non-compliance of ICDS will lead to judgment assessment. Okay, and what are the different types of ICDS? ICDS 1, ICDS I is for accounting policies, ICDS 2I valuation of inventories, ICDS 3I construction contract, ICDS IV revenue recognition, ICDS V tangible fixed assets, ICDS VI effect of changes in foreign exchange rates, ICDS V double I government grants, ICDS V triple I securities, then ICDS IX belongs to borrowing cost, and ICDX ICDSX belongs to provisions, contingent liabilities and contingent assets. So this is it all about फीचर्स ऑफ ICDS. इसके नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ RCC टू whom the income computation disclosure standard apply. Okay, so for now this is it all about features of ICDS. Thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for your support. Happy studying.